The cable is compatible with all devices with a micro USB 2.0 connector, such as the Galaxy Note 4 and the Galaxy Note Edge. This Samsung charger has an output of 2 amp to give your phone power at a much faster rate than your typical charger. Top reviews from the United States. Just right. Exactly what I needed. And it's exactly as described. One of the very few items I can honestly say is just what it should be. Cord length is good. Charges tablet in about 2 hours. Perfect replacement for my OEM cord. This charger and cord are exactly like the ones I received with my tablet when I purchased it several years ago. My old charger was taking 24 hours to charge my battery 100%. This new charger is charging my battery within 2 hours when my battery has drained to 15%. This is the real deal. Great replacement charger. Does the job many have claimed but failed to do, but I did have to use an extension cord to be able to use it.